South African President Cyril Ramaphosa has called on the United Nations to stand firm and force the United States to respect international law, warning that no country is above the UN Charter. Zarabina mashukubda pango yana chino kaunti Ramaphosa blast Trump over imperial power grab. Chitiko chakadwa kunzi, as we started this new year 2026, it started with a shock. Pazvonekwa kunzi America yodosvika ichino dzora Maduro from his country aiwa is the president ichinosvika ichinomukanda mujere musungwa. Tsarabina mashoko buda panguva ino Ramaphosa achidefenda aiwa Venezuela. Don't forget to subscribe or like it on the bell icon. Tibira Mbo Truth and Ramirajiti. Speaking at the 31st annual Joe Slovo commemorations in Soweto, Ramaphosa said the UN must defend the core principles of sovereignty, territorial integrity, and self-determination that bind all member states. He reminded the global body that the Charter explicitly forbids the use of force or threats against other nations' independence or borders, branding such actions as outright aggression. His remarks follow explosive claims that US President Donald Trump recently ordered the capture of Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro and First Lady Celia Flores in Caracas, accusing them of narco-terrorism and acting against US interests. Ramaphosa suggested the move exposed Washington's true agenda, imperial dominance driven by oil. Venezuela holds the world's largest oil reserves. He demanded the immediate release of Maduro and his wife, warning that global peace depends on respect for international law. Ndo mashugaru mdaitoka panapa na Ramaphosa anozikanwa kunzi Ramaphosa is one of the people again anoonekwa kunzi Trump anenge ane interest in South Africa again. So panguva ino achidefenda Venezuela, inova latest move yoitwa naRamaphosa panguva ine achidefenda another member state. Kuna comment section medu dzofungura email today pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.